Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This episode, I'm going to show you my design for my February cover page. I got my inspiration from a YouTuber named My Life in a Bullet. There is her video over there on top. Check out her channel, she has a lot of great things and ideas for bullet journaling. Before you start, use a pencil first before tracing it with permanent marker. This tip will eliminate errors on your drawings and will give you that perfect doodle you want. And there it is, the finished look for my cover page with some colors and border. Thanks for watching guys, see you on my next video. Bye!